Welcome back to my channel, Conquer College Admissions. This is Julie. I have a very special announcement for you. And before I share that with you, I do want to have you check in with yourself and answer the following questions. So here's the question. Have you wondered whether you are really working on the right things in order for you to get accepted into your dream colleges? So the right extracurriculars, the right summer plan, the right volunteer opportunities, the right class selections. Are you really working on the right things? And so if you've answered I'm not really sure, I think so, or maybe, I'm very excited to share with you that I'm hosting a passion project brainstorming live workshop on Thursday, November 4th at 5 p.m. Pacific time and 8 p.m. Eastern time. This workshop is not only for you to walk away with the most unique and amazing passion project idea. I'm going to share the really simple 3-step process you can go ahead and use. And these are strategies that I only share with my passion project bootcamp students. So this is something that I've never really shared on YouTube or podcast or Instagram or anything like that. And in that brainstorming workshop, I'm first going to help you assess whether you are really doing the right things. So you're going to follow me along in this workshop and write down all the things that you're working on, and I'm going to be helping you with the assessment process. So once you do that, you'll get a very good idea of where you stand in your college admissions journey. And after that process, I'm going to help you brainstorm your most unique, amazing passion project idea, and you're just gonna walk away with feeling so much clarity and excitement because you're going to have an amazing passion project. I see a lot of high school students working on passion projects, but if you're working on the wrong idea, or if you're working on a passion project that just is used for standing out purposes, or you're copying someone else's passion project idea, you're basically wasting your time. And with college admissions process, time is everything. So I want to make sure that you're working on the right thing. So this workshop is best for students who don't know what they want to do, who maybe have a lot of things going on, and you're like, am I really doing the right things? And of course, if you're working on a passion project already, this will be a good workshop where you can assess whether your idea is really good enough or not. So you can register for the Passion Project Brainstorming Workshop at www.juliekimconsulting.com/brainstorm. So I'll go ahead and put the link right here. We're also going to put that in the description box. And because I love over-delivering and I love to give you guys good value, typically this live workshop is $199. However, if you use the discount coupon code PASSION20, I'll put in the code right here, you will be able to attend the live training for $127. And this coupon code is only valid until Wednesday. And after that, the price will go up to $199. So it's really important that you reserve your spot using this discount code at $127 value. And you're gonna just walk away with just so many ideas. And who knows, this could really make or break your college results. Okay, so again, the link is www.juliekimconsulting.com/brainstorm, and make sure to use the coupon code PASSION20 to get into this live workshop for $127. And you could also register for this workshop, and you don't necessarily need to attend if you're busy at that time, because we will send you the full recording and you could go ahead and watch that at your own pace as well. All right, that's it for today's video. I hope to see you inside the Passion Project Brainstorming Workshop. We're gonna have a blast, and you're gonna walk with so much clarity and, of course, your best, most unique passion project idea. Bye.